everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the potato chip omelet from the bear. So let's get started with the video. Begin by chopping some fresh chives. When you're finished, set them to the side. Next, fill a piping bag with Boursin garlic and herb cheese. Once you've done that, set it to the side until you're ready to use it later. Next, place a fine mesh sieve over a bowl. Then add 3 eggs directly into the sieve. Next, beat the eggs through the sieve. When you're finished, all that should be left are these rubbery bits of egg, which are totally fine to eat, but by removing it, it makes your eggs creamy and have a more consistent texture. Next, add a pinch of salt to your eggs. When you're finished, your egg should be super smooth and look like this. Next, in a 10-inch pan over medium-low heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Then swirl the butter around to coat the pan. Once the butter has melted, add your eggs. Use a rubber spatula to scramble the eggs while shaking the pan. Make sure to scrape the sides of the pan while you're scrambling the eggs. Continue to cook the eggs until they are almost set but still very soft. Then evenly spread the eggs throughout the pan. When you're finished, turn off the heat. Next, pipe a line of Boursin cheese on the side of the omelet. Then, using a rubber spatula, fold the omelet. After the first fold, add 1 tablespoon of butter in the pan. Then continue folding the omelet. By the way, it helps to tilt the pan a bit while you're folding the omelet. Once you finish folding the omelet, transfer it to a plate. Next, rub the whole omelet with butter. Then garnish the top of the omelet with freshly chopped chives, crushed sour cream and onion chips, and freshly cracked black pepper. And that's it, you're all done. And here's the finished result. This omelet was absolutely delicious. I really enjoyed making it and eating it. I decided to make the omelet because I was craving it real bad after I saw Sydney make it for Natalie in the show. And it was totally worth it because this omelet was awesome. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!